All right, money makers. This will be the last video for this week and will conclude October. Um, please do send your emails today because this is the final day for you to actually, enter the Halloween theme contest, creating using a prototype using Emergent. So if you have not submitted it by the end of today, you will be out of luck and there will be no more submissions. You can't submit it after that point. So make sure you go ahead and do that. But today, this video, I'm going to be covering Lowe's creative program. And so Mr. Beast is part of that, as you can see that, and some other creators that you probably don't know much about. But it's basically a program where you advertise their products onto your platforms and you get a commission if they buy those products from, Lowe's. And so it's very famous and it definitely works. Make sure that you are putting your best foot forward, that you have a good engagement, that people are liking you, that people want to see you thrive and succeed. Because if you don't advertise it the right way, if you don't have good energy when you're trying to promote their products, then you're not going to get selected into the program. So they have a very rigorous process, and they even tell you some of the process here. Um, Frequently asked questions. So the Lowe's Creators Program allows content creators and influencers the ability to earn commission on a sale referred to loans.com via unique affiliate links generated in the creator portal. Once once a part of the Lowe's Creator Program community, you may share your affiliate links across social channels and web blogs to earn commission on any online purchase originating from your links. So basically, if they click on your link, on your YouTube channel link, and you have links on your actual video that might be promoting Lowe's, then you're going to earn a percentage if that customer buys the product. But if they don't, then it's a waste of time. It's but you would hope that they buy it. That's the whole point. You have to advertise it in the right way. You might even throw some ads in there. You might make a video about Lowe's to see if they have different particular products that your customers will highly like. It's a lot of ways to make it profitable for you and for Lowe's. And then who's eligible to join Lowe's? Any US based content creator, influencer, and blogger with an online following and an interest in Lowe's products are eligible to join the Lowe's Creator Program. How do I apply? You just go to this particular link, and then what are the expectations for content creators and what type of content are accepted? Creators have flexibility in content creation frequency and format, including short form videos, TikTok, Instagram, stories, reels, YouTube videos, blog posts, and all of that good stuff. And then how much can I get to be paid? Creators earn a 20% commission on products made through their loans affiliate links. So say, a product is $200 and you probably earn like maybe 10, 15, 20, or $100 on that product depending on after sales tax and all of that. But you can earn anywhere from 100 to 200 or more. It just all depends on how much people are buying their product under the affiliate link. But other than that, you all have a great day and let me know if you have any questions. And I'll see you guys in November.